organ is a wind instrument, so the way it produces sound is air going through the pipes. All of the air is housed in a chest, and every single one of these is a stop. So when you play notes on the organ, but you don't have any stops drawn, it doesn't produce any sound. So you have to draw a stop. So that famous phrase, pulling out all the stops, is actually an organ reference. Mozart supposedly said that. So every single one of these stops is a different sound. So this is a trumpet. This with your feet is a trombone. There are string stops. This is a viola. There's a flute, and on and on. The beauty of the organ is you have all of the instruments of the orchestra, and putting all of those things together.